Tonight, fire officials are warning about neighborhood fireworks for the 4th of July. CBS 5's Gary Robinson Jr. is on your side in the studio now. Gary.
Fireworks may be a 4th of July tradition for many, but fire officials say they're also one of the biggest causes of injuries this time of year, especially for children. And even legal fireworks like sparklers can be dangerous if you're not careful. According to Fire Chief Monds, last year, more than 10,000 people were injured in firework-related accidents across the country. Many of them involved children. Even legal fireworks can burn hot enough to cause severe burns in seconds. The Syracuse Fire Department says the safest way to celebrate the holiday is to leave fireworks to the professionals.
My number one advice would be to go to a professional fireworks display. They're entertaining. You're removing the danger out of your lives. If you have children, you're removing the danger out of their lives. Sparklers, which a lot of people aren't going to have sparklers, but they are dangerous. Also, they burn at 2,000 degrees, which is very, very hot.
If you do plan to use legal fireworks at home, the fire department recommends staying 15 feet away from any building or flammable object, keeping a bucket of water nearby, and never aiming fireworks at other people. They also say if something goes wrong, don't fight a fire on your own. Call 911. Officials warn that good weather this weekend could lead to even more firework use and potentially more emergency calls. If you're celebrating this week, they say the best gift you can give your family is a safe holiday. Reporting in studio, I'm Gary Robinson Jr.
Yeah, and our dogs will appreciate